Alright, Bodgers, we're back with the Mini. Check it out. So yeah, it's been a while. Since there's been some videos. Fairly good updates, like the truck is back with MOT. So today's basic task is going to be, let's fix that steering. If you remember, this side had snapped off at some point in its life and was bodged together. Look at that. That's super dangerous, right? So we have another steering rack, I suppose we'd call it. It needs a bit of work, like these need changing, but for now we just want to be able to steer the Mini so we can push it round, etc, etc. So we're going to try and change it. I've already dropped the bottom one of these off, Nightmare City, so we're going to do the same on the other side, find out where it bolts underneath, and try not to die changing it. Remember to like and subscribe. Right, like I said, problem number one was popping that ball joint bugger out. It was stuck in there, but you can see what's happened at some point. It's just gone kaboosh, and then up there as well, and then they welded the whole thing like that. Love it. Well done, mate, whoever did that. Anyway, I'm going to have to try. The difficult part is probably undo the subframe and roll the whole thing forward, but the engine's still in, and I haven't got any way of moving the engine, so this will be interesting to see how I'm going to figure this out. Yeah. As far as I remember, there's like two U-clamps under there somewhere. Undo them, and then yeah, pop this off, and the whole thing should kind of pull out this way. So let's do this on the other side, and then have a look where we're up to. Right, well, as dark as it is, this is the view we've got. Look how crap that old one was. Absolutely caned. Yeah, the new one's not much better for the boots, so I'm going to have to take it off again in the future and change them, at least this kind of part of it. There we go, you can see it over there, because they're a bit rotten, but the rest of it's actually pretty good shape, so yeah. Let's figure this crap out. Let's give myself a bit more angle. So we'll go that way. Yeah, that's full turn in a Mini apparently. It'll have to do. Let's get that bugger off. Good sign. Right. All ball joints. Next plan is golden. Get him off, which is getting very hot. That noise is the A-pillar, I keep hitting it. Off my head. Same as last time, this spins now, see? So all we have to do is put something in there and pry it apart. I shall show you if I can. So the idea is, I will probably won't be able to film at the same time. You need to either pry under here, I find this easier. Get something under there, push up as hard as you can, and obviously power ratchet on top of that. It will keep spinning off, like this. But keep pressure on it, keep doing it, that will come off. Let's see if I can film it. So despite showing you that method, it worked on the other side, didn't on this side, so we used persuader and cut the bugger off. As long as you're very careful, minimal damage, etc, etc. And then you can just couple him off and happy ho. There we go. Look at the state of that. Kaboogered. Just cleaned up in here as well. I mean, you can't really tell, but it's a lot tidier than it was. Oh well, anyway, so next problem. I mean, look at the state of this. This is totally buggered, isn't it? I'm going to have to try and figure out a way of putting this engine forward a bit so I can find where these U-bolts are. So another slight problem child, as you can see, is this bendy bugger. Luckily, I got a replacement. Had it a while. Let's get that thing hopefully on without too much problems, and we can get the rough idea of which way it's all supposed to be facing, and then we'll worry about elephant in the room, which is the who knows how the hell I'm going to undo probably these bolts on both sides, put some mega jacks under there with some wood or something and drag it all out. That's going to be a ball ache. Awesome stuff. Probably this is going to be a two-part video. Let's try and chop them up. Fire. Whoa, easy target. Cool. One side. And that's the solution there, and otherwise we'll try and undo that bugger. Worst case, same treatment. Hopefully not be. We're going to find another bolt for that side otherwise. So let's see if we can get that undone. Yeah, I can do that. Arms. Okay, we're good. We got this. World's easiest bolt. Let's keep that over there, and hopefully we can ping him up. So short video this is going to be. That's what ended up with that bolt. Yeah, refusing to come out. So I've had to cut it off on both sides, and I still can't bash it through. Look at it. So I'm going to have to get a drill on there and drill it out, which means I'm going to have to undo that ball joint, pull it off, put it on a bench or whatever, and drill the bugger out. And then we can fit a new one of these bad boys. Slap them through there, and then this bugger can then go on like so. Very strange. It's like that thing was threaded, would refuse to come out, and it's almost like it threaded into the old one, which makes no sense because these things don't have threads inside them. Very, very bizarre. So yeah, anyway, the video's definitely cutting short here, so next time around it'll be take all this crap off and get that bugger in there, and then it'll be figure out what we're doing with this. I was going to do it in this video, but I am knackered, so that is going to be the next one. Like and subscribe.